One, two, three.
Hit it!
On the way to Philly, on the Trizzy.
Uncle John and Megan, the two youngest Trizzies.
On the sea, on Uncle John and Jesse.
Try to be neat, but we get kind of messy. Since the longest time,
The Iggies.
and the Drizzies in the house for the holiday
Festivities, ho 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 for the holidays. So much fun to hang with the family. Ho 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 for the holidays.
So much fun to hang with the family. You think Aunt Donna,
Who?
Donna,
Who?
Donna, still asleep?
She lost a gallbladder on Thanksgiving Eve.
The cool good Drizzy came in from Cali for the Iggy Drizzy Christmas rally.
The puppy drove in from Spring City. If Jesse made the food, he'd be kinda.
Just kidding. This year is kind of different because we do the Yankee swap.
I got a gift from Nana and Papa.
Fair. Uncle John's getting down with the accordion.
Nothing flipping rhymes with accordion. Ho 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 for the holidays. So much fun to hang with the family. Ho 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 for the holidays. So much fun to hang with the family. Peace.
Peace out, y'all.
Family. Thank you.
Yo.
PCP Productions.
That was horrible.